What's up, Sour Slices? Welcome back to another video, and in today's video, as you see by the title and thumbnail, I'm going to be showing you guys how to prepare a LEGO minifigures basement stockpile. Now, what's a basement stockpile? Well, basically, it's just full of food and essential stuff. It's like a safe house, but this video isn't zombie related. So, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be putting shelves and putting lots of stuff that you'd use if you were to lock yourself in your basement or to be quarantined. That's kind of what this video is about, as you'll see soon. But as you can see right here, I just have a little basement, or sort of room, half room. It's cut like that, so you can see the inside, and so I can have easily accessible to be able to place everything in. Now, what I'm going to do first is I'm going to start off by doing some shelves in just like this. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually stock these shelves right now. So on this side of the shelf right here, as we can see, it is nice. It's like that. I'm going to put what people seem to be stockpiling right now. If you've looked in the stores, the toilet paper sections are completely empty. So I need to make sure that this LEGO minifigure is stacked, ready to go. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fill in this shelf with as many little LEGO rolls of TP. And I've got one more that I just need to find a spot for. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it shelf stocked up with rolls of toilet paper, LEGO People toilet paper. And what I'm going to do over on this side is I'm going to take off the top for easier use this time. And I'm going to fill this side with food and stuff. So, well, mostly drinks. So I'm going to put in drinks. And I will fill the bottom with as many drinks as I can so that I can do the top with food. Alright, so there's the bottom row, mostly filled. Now I'm going to get the top. And the top has a little more space because it has this corner right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 2 more bottles up here on the top. There we go. We're going to put some unrefrigerated milk, a coffee cup, a soda, and a chocolate bar right there in the front. The chocolate bar, if you're wondering, hold on. Instead of Kit Kat, it's because this is a custom printed piece from Eclipse Graphics. So is this coffee cup, and so is that cola right there. Not the one on top, the one down there. What else I'm also going to put on the top is this cereal box, Fruity Studs, also from Eclipse Graphics. And I'm also going to put these donuts, but putting these donuts reminds me of something. It reminds me of the new, oh my god. It reminds me of the new De Sour Orange merch design. If you take a look at the merch website, which I'll link in the description, we have a new donut hoodie, only available in the color white. But it's available for purchase right when this video goes up. So check it out, link in the description. Yeah. So now that I'm done with this shelf, I'm going to put it right down here in the corner. So once it's stuck down, once it's there in the corner, I can put in the stairs. Because this is a basement, and that sends toilet paper flying. But because this is a basement, I have to make this work with the stairs. Oh, God. Okay, so now that the stairs are in, and these shelves are also in, we're going to put in a water cooler because you gotta have water somehow. We're going to put in a little shelving unit, which I'm also going to put one more donut on top of. Now, I'm not on my tripod right now, because I didn't really feel like it, but as you can see, there is the donut, and there's everything else stocked up on the shelves. Another thing I want to put on the little cabinet here is this hot dog. It's very uneasy to put pieces in the middle. There you go. Now we've got the hot dog. And what else I feel like putting down here? I feel like decorating the area a bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this poster up on the wall. as you can see, just like that, it's a Deadpool poster, also from Eclipse Graphics. Once again, not sponsored, unless they want to. I'm open. But right here next to the stairs, I'm going to put in a box. I'm going to put 2 breads inside the box, because, yeah. So as you can see, this area is looking pretty stocked up right now. So what I'm also going to do is, if you have to stay down here, I'm going to put in some beds, or some sleeping bags. Because, I mean, this place is basically a bunker now. Bunker part 3, maybe 200 likes. But yeah, so as you can see, this area is nearly done. The last thing I just want to include down here is an oven, because you have to be able to cook your food somehow. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in this Lego oven. And it's on a swivel piece. It's right next to the bed, I know, but it's on a swiveling piece, just so, because I couldn't find another piece to put it onto. But yeah, that is basically all for my Lego stockpile. If you guys like this video, then please be sure to leave a like. If you're new here, subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next video. Stay sour.